My dear brothers and sisters, welcome. We're going to create today a very special ice cream. We're going to be creating mango peach almond butter ice cream. If you could relate to that. Alive and organic, but of course. So we'll begin by with a cup of spring water. There we go. We'll add that to the blender, and then we will add a heaping tablespoon of Living Tree alive organic almond butter created from almonds grown by a California farming family of 5 generations on the land. So, alive organic almond butter. And let us agree, it's not merely the nutrients, but it's the intentionality. The intentionality in growing and processing that counts. So here we to a cup of spring water, heaping tablespoon. And there you have it. And there you have it, our Living Tree alive organic almond milk. And we'll put that back in the blender. The problem with it is that it's too easy to make. And then we're going to add some chia seeds. Please, brothers and sisters, please add chia seeds to everything you eat. They are so health-giving, so beneficial. So we're going to add a double tablespoon of chia seeds. And let's blend that up. And now we're going to be adding a cup of our alive almond butter. Okay, here we go. Huh? Okay, and now for a mango, why not? Mango. Okay, mango. And what about some California peaches just harvested? Peaches. Okay. Now, what about a teaspoon of Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt? And to that we'll add a tablespoon of our cacao powder. Why not? We all love chocolate. And then our alive organic cacao nibs. And let's add a tablespoon or two of cacao nibs. Gives it a wonderful, wonderful, crunchy, chocolatey texture. And here we go. So here we have the makings. Here we have the makings of our mango, peach, almond butter ice cream. So let's go ahead and let's put this in the fridge for a couple hours, and afterwards we'll glory in the result. So here you go. Mango peach almond butter ice cream. Let's pour this into a container. And we're going to put it in the freezer and then take a look in a couple hours' time. As simple and as creative as that. Imagine how your family and your kids will rejoice. Nothing like it. Alive and organic, but of course. We've done it. After a few hours in the freezer, mango peach, almond butter, ice cream. Imagine. Now I'd like to talk a little about what's happening in the world out there in regard to ultra-processed foods, because now there's a more sinister development. It's called synthetic and laboratory-grown food. Fake meat is all the rage. It's green, it's ecological and sustainable. Moreover, it's going to feed the planet. On the other hand, it's the epitome of estrangement. You can't get any more unnatural. I've got to tip my hat to the ingenuity that has gone into creating it. They genetically modify soy to create a chemical that makes fake meat taste like meat. Now, as I say, soy is the principal ingredient. It's grown in vast monocultures. Where there were once wetlands and prairies, it's all soy. It's heavily sprayed with glyphosate, which is linked to cancer. There are those who see in this a way to eliminate the raising of animals for meat. Won't fake meat lead to the abolition of CAFOs, contained animal feeding operations, which produce most of the meat consumed in the U.S. today? CAFOs, no doubt about it, are an abomination of filth, stench, and pollution. But replacing them with fake meat is not the answer. Animals are an essential element in the ecology. The fertility of the plains and the prairies is owing to the vast herds of buffalo which they once sustained. Every organic farmer, every backyard grower will assure you that cow manure is gold. It's a mild fertilizer, and moreover, it gives wonderful texture to the soil. Every biodynamic farmer will tell you that a cow takes in cosmic forces through its horns, and combining it with grass through its four stomachs produces manure. In a broader view, a large part of the world's population is sustained by herds of animals on grasslands. As Dr. Mercola tells us, over 1 billion people, especially in the developing world, rely upon, for their food and survival, raising livestock on billions of acres of pasture and rangeland that are simply not suitable for raising crops, but which can and do support properly grazed livestock. 66% of these are low-income women. They depend upon these animals. Shall we tell these billion backward peasants to go into town and line up for their genetically modified burgers and forget about raising their cattle, buffalo, sheep, goats, ducks, and chickens like their ancestors have done for thousands of years? Surely the quick fix, the replacement of livestock by meat manufactured in a laboratory test tube, is not the answer. Also, please remember that fake meat is just the beginning, my dear friends. Right behind are fake chicken and fake tuna fish. Fake meat is the epitome of ultra-processed. An astonishing 60% of the food Americans eat is ultra-processed. Examples include breakfast cereals, pizza, chicken nuggets, soda, packaged baked goods, microwavable frozen meals, instant soups and sauces, and so much more. They contain unnaturally high amounts of sugar, salt, processed oils, and unhealthy fats. Ultra-processed foods weaken the immune system. They lead to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. It seems to us that the pandemic is but a symptom. It's not the virus. It's the profound imbalance in the way we eat. The certainty wells up within us that we will come through. Where there are chicken nuggets, pizza, and soda, there shall be parsley, lettuce, Swiss chard, and kale. Thank you, my friends. My privilege to share with you. Your comments and suggestions are always treasured. Thank you indeed. Let us go forward.